Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is Rezwan.rono. Subscribe me for future tutorials. Today I am going to be showing you how to backup system image on Windows 10. So let's get started. Go down to search box and write down control. Now click to open control panel. Go to system and security, then select file story. Now you want to come down to bottom left hand side here, system image backup. So click on system image backup. We are going to create a system image here. So select create a system image. Now your PC will automatically search for any drive plugged in that can be used for system image backup. Let me give a definition of system image backup. A system image is a copy of the drives required for Windows to run. It can also include additional drives. A system image can be used to restore your computer if your hard drive or computer ever stop working. So let's choose a external hard drive, then select next. Which drive do you want to include in the backup? The drivers that are required for Windows to run will be included by default. So you can add any drive you want to add for system image backup. I add software RG and click on next. Now click on start backup and it will start the processing of system image backup. So my work is done. If you like my videos, make sure to comment down below and make sure to subscribe me.